Hello guys and welcome back to another unboxing video. So today we will be unboxing the Xiaomi Wi-Fi Range Extender Pro. Okay, so let's proceed with the unboxing first. Napakaliit nito guys, is smaller than what I expected. So when you open the box, yung Wi-Fi extender lang talaga ang laman nito and syempre yung manual and nothing else. Very small, literal na plug and play siya dahil isasaksak mo na lang talaga siya sa outlet nyo. Okay, so let me show you paano natin siya isi-set up. So ready your phone. First, ipa-plug muna natin to, syempre para mag-on siya. Wala po siyang turn off button or turn on button. Then wait lang natin mag-boot up ng mga ilang seconds. Then scan the QR code na meron sa manual or dito sa box meron din. This is to download the app which is the Mi Home. Now, let's go ahead and open the app and create an account if wala pa kayong account like me sa app na ito. Then, mag-sign in lang tayo and we will connect the device. Now, hanapin natin yung Mi Wi-Fi Extender Pro. Ayan, so may picture naman siya guys kung hindi nyo talaga alam yung name ng product. Ayan, so ibase natin siya sa picture. Now, let's follow the instruction on the screen. So, sabi, we need to reset the device. So, we need to poke this tiny hole here if you have an ejector SIM or at least a piece of earrings like this. And then, wait for a few seconds before it will boot up.
A few moments later.
And now, it's on the scanning device stage. After that, connect your Wi-Fi network. Then wait for a few seconds again. So once done, just set a name where you will place the Wi-Fi extender, which room, and the name of the extender. So this is very helpful, especially if you have more than one Wi-Fi extender at home. Alright, and that's it. Now we can configure the Wi-Fi name and password for your Xiaomi Wi-Fi Extender Pro, and you also have an option to hide it. So you just need to toggle this on if you want to hide it. But if it's not, then that's just okay. Alright, so it's the final test, so let's try to connect to the Wi-Fi extender. Okay, so as you can see, nakakonect na tayo, and yep, it's working. This is just a very small and very simple product, yet this will be a very big help not to lose any Wi-Fi connections sa bahay nyo or sa labas ng bahay nyo, like for example you have garden or somewhere na medyo malayo talaga sa main router nyo. So if ever you're interested in buying this product or checking this item as well, meron tayong link sa description box guys. Available po yan sa Shopee and Lazada. Go ahead and check the link below. Thank you for watching this video guys, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe as well. Of course, thank you for watching. This is Jess and see you on my next video guys. Bye!